So a bunch of you guys might be wondering what went on with the cross-country Ferd when she got to Hi-Ho Stable. Well, let me show you.
This truck is just a good unit. It runs good, it shifts good, it's just awesome.
Now, I don't want to screw around with the heritage that this truck has. I'm not even taking the engines out of this logger's box here. 4,000 miles, 2 countries, and a gigantic journey for not a 7.3 IDI or 6.9. It's just a gigantic journey for any old vehicle. I'm going to keep this truck as a time capsule so that we can keep looking at the mementos and reminisce on the fun times that were given. This truck deserves to stay as a time capsule and be shown for generations to come. But yeah, I think we're going to keep it nice. That way I can, drive it around, show it off, whole bunch of stuff. Show the condition that's in. Listen, I'm all for keeping things stock, but this truck's a little too far gone. A floor here that has a little bit more crunch than it really should. Oh, that's cab corner. We're talking an entire floor of just fiberglass. Here lies the cross-country Ferd. You know how things go. She's crisp. She's real crisp. So I got on the horn and asked old Peg and Legging, what exactly should I do with this truck? What do you think about me taking the remains of said truck and making it useful as a vehicle for my channel that I can grow in with and do a bunch of work with? He seemed to like that idea, so let me show you what we got going on. So, not far from its carcass, here lies the cross-country Ferd. And she's showing a little bit of a different skin pretty much going on. Wearing different clothes. This is a 50s International, and it's going to be 7.3 IDI power. That's the plan. 1-ton 50s pickup that is work bootable, meaning there's a whole bunch of room inside, all that stuff. What a better way to suit the cross-country Ferd than making it a work truck again and doing jobs with it basically until she dies. So if you guys are interested in continuing to see the lifespan of the old cross-country Ferd, we're basically going to have a complete playlist on retrofitting this skin onto this truck and making her running and drivable 50s service truck. Should be pretty darn sweet. Make sure you take a look if you guys are interested. Hi-Ho Stable Garage. Just want to thank Peg again for donating me his trash. But I think we're going to make really, really good use of it. See you guys. What does that guy say? Keep your poop pipe tight? Something like that.